What's going on, people? This your boy Teddy B Blackman, and I'm back with another free therapy video. And today I'm gonna give you tips on how to improve your social interaction. Now, a lot of people think that I'm just like a super sociable guy, and I can be to an extent, but you know, it wasn't always like that. It takes certain steps to get there. You know what I mean? So, anybody that's dealing with these problems, social anxieties, etc., etc., what you want to do first is you want to practice making small talk. This could be in the form of just having general manners. When somebody does something, say thank you. If you need somebody, ask somebody to do something, please, thank you, you're welcome, yada yada yada. Also in the form of small talk, as in, you know, the cliche, nice weather we're having or something like that. You know what I mean? Basically, it's the same as, if y'all watch the phobia video, it's the same as getting that exposure to the phobia that you want to eventually conquer. You can also read books as well. This is a very common thing. Read books. If you go to therapy, you can't afford therapy, you can Google. I know everybody has like friends that write books and might be along the lines of this. If you have friends that write these kind of books, read them. You can never go wrong with the knowledge that you gain for books, unless it's just something completely out of left field, and in which you should, common sense would kick in and let you know, like, yo, this is wrong, I shouldn't be doing this. If he's telling you to go out and social and smack somebody to become more sociable, obviously don't do it. You know what I mean? Unless that's just the kind of social person you want to be. If you want to be known as smacking fire to people, go ahead, do your thing. You know what I'm saying? Another thing you want to work on is body language. You want to seem like you're interested in the convo. You want to not necessarily say, even if you aren't fully engaged, you just want to come off as easy to talk to. You don't want to be awkward. You don't want somebody talking to you and you got like a smug look on your face. You know, you don't want to have a mean mug on your face. You don't want to come off as like rude, impractical, etc., etc. And then last but not least, you really just want to get experience. You want to go out more. You know what I'm saying? You could go out for 10 minutes today, 20 minutes tomorrow. You can go to the store, you can go to the library. It doesn't have to be like the club. It doesn't have to be like anywhere where it's deemed super sociable. You can go be, as long as you step out the door of your house that's being sociable and you're talking, you can talk to your neighbors. It don't got to be like random people out in the streets. You can work your way up to that level. You know what I mean? So just a few pointers, you know, and then of course you can go in depth about all of those. And yeah, that'll wrap up this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, you know. And yeah, this is Teddy B Blackman, and I'm out.